everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly, a very hippie out there today. Today on Tuesday, I just want to sit down. I want to put some makeup on. Where's my coffee? Hold on, I gotta get my coffee. Got my coffee. Okay, I knew I had my coffee down here. Anyways, I actually thought of a really great idea. This month, my friend Kyra and I, for our Shop My Stash video, we decided to do a if we lost everything, where we would start. And I was like, well, I didn't think about brushes. So I'm going to get ready with me with using my goodies and just my fingers. What am I going to call this? I don't know. It's get ready with me. I'm going to use just my fingers. We're going to play with some makeup and just kind of chat today. I love get ready with me. But anyways, I'm going to zoom you in now. Okay, I will have everything listed down in the description box in case you're curious. I'll try to mention. But I'm in a very chatty mood. I was really nervous about doing the if I lost everything collab because I was like, oh, that just like, it kind of scares me a little bit. But when I actually sat down and I pulled some things out and then I went in and pulled more things out and walked away, had more like thoughts separate, like away from everything, and it really, really did help. I am just putting sunscreen on because that was my choice. That would be one thing that is a multi-purpose. This one is a multi-purpose. I can't get the cap up. The Coats Face Moisture Lightly Tinted SPF right here. This is an SPF. It's kind of hydrating for my dry skin. I do everything up to like a hydrating serum, and then that's where I stopped. So I didn't put like my daily moisture on, and I can just use this for moisturizer, sunscreen, and it's really great primer. Fills in my pores and stuff. But anyways, what was I talking about? Oh yeah, I was really nervous about doing it, but I actually had a ton of fun when I actually sat down, and I was really proud of myself. I ended up with was like $170 total. But yeah, I always film get ready with me's for my Tuesday videos, and I was like, oh, it would be really fun and kind of challenging to see if I could, because I spent a lot of money on makeup, and I would probably, realistically, if I was in the store, I would have been like, we can just use our fingers. So also, I do have like my makeup cleaning rag there, so I'm gonna go in with this. I am kind of excited because I do know that this foundation actually is okay using my fingers, but I mean, when you use your fingers for foundation application, it does get messy. So brought the rag over here so I can wipe everything down, and because products also get really, really gross. I really like this foundation though. I will say when I use my fingers, I get like a lower medium coverage. I'm going to go in with just a half a pump more for the lower half of my face, but I get fairly decent coverage. Like, I'm actually really surprised. And it's not, some foundations are actually really weird to do like finger applications, but this one is not that weird. It almost feels like a BB cream if you've dabbled with like a BB cream. So really quick too, how is everybody doing? Let me know down in the comments, you know, what is your day like? Like, are you sticking to a really, really great schedule, or are you just kind of laxed in what you're doing for the day? I'm pretty structured as it is, and I am a planner gal. Planning and planners really help me schedule out my time and my day and what needs to be done, and kind of organize things and thoughts that are going on in my head. I do have anxiety really bad, and planners they really do help. It's like a sense of calm, I guess. Anyways, so I have a homeschooling schedule that we have been sticking to right now. My husband's upstairs. He is taking over for the moment, so I can come down here and kind of get some things done for my YouTube. But anyways, we are pretty structured. I will say it has kind of, I did have a hard time kind of adjusting my like filming, editing, and cleaning schedule, because I have 4 kids, and when they're all out of the house, my husband's gone to work, like I have the house to myself, and I can just go to town, wipe the walls down, I can turn the music up and jam out, and oh, it's been a moment, but I have a schedule. We've all been doing yoga together most days. I will say most days. I do enjoy yoga by myself, but a lot of times, like, because my other kids have to log PE hours, so they just jump in and they do the yoga. Okay, I went in really, really crazy, and I haven't used my fingers with that foundation or concealer in a long time, so that took a while to blend in. But anyways, I really, really like this rag. So I really have stuck to quite a stricter schedule, or I mean, yeah, we don't school all day, but we have a rhythm. You guys, I was almost done with my first coffee, and then I was like chugging, and I was like, going in for more. This doesn't count, right? Because the spoolie is already on this tool. Anyways, I really did like that collab. Like, I'm having a lot of fun. And I think it really is gonna be a great challenge to see how much I can really stick with all of these products and see if they fill the need. I mean, maybe when after this is all done, I'll realize that this experiment, if it were to happen, it would really help me second guessing maybe something. I don't know. I'm a little bit nervous about this powder product. I don't have powder. I didn't pick a powder for the month. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's let the face dry a little bit more before I go in with face. I'm so nervous. Okay, I'm not nervous about doing eyeshadow, so let's do a quick eyeshadow look. What do we want to do today? Do we want just an all shimmer look? No. Let's do something. I'm going to start in the inner corner with the right here, the white shade. Try to squeeze that in. Maybe I should use my pinky. There we go. Okay. That's a lot harder than I feel like it should be. Maybe this is more of a challenge video. Challenge to get ready with me. Okay. Our inner corner is brightened and I look more awake than what I really am. Oh, I was up really late last night. I know we get up really early. Okay, actually, I really want to get into terracotta. I've been loving this shade. So let's just keep going. So use the pinky, and I'm going to use this one so that way we're not totally dirtying up too many fingers. And I'm going to try to keep this low in my natural crease. Can you guys see me? I don't even know. You guys, this is a new setup too. I did try to play with my lights a little bit. Did I say that? I don't know if I said that or if I'm going to end up cutting it out because I was really rambly. I am really rambly, like, in general. Like, I was just kind of like, I think I'm going to go sit down and turn the camera on. Oh, so rambly. But anyways. What was I just saying? Rambly? Oh, new background, new lighting and everything like that. I don't know. It's a new setup. It's different on my end as well. I don't know. I do like because I can put the camera stand tripod, the tripod and the big ring light. I can put that away, like over here in the corner. I'll link my declutter, rearranging, beauty area video because I did film it. Very proud of myself for filming that. It was a lot of footage. But anyways, yeah, I really, really do like when everything is put away. I can come down here and do my yoga, on those days that I do want to be alone while I'm doing my yoga. Okay, really, I'm going to try this. Really, on the tip of my finger. As I would, with a brush. I'm going to take this in the lower lash line. This is very tricky, I will say that. I mean, it's tricky. Wait, it doesn't look bad, right? I don't know. This video is actually going quite quickly. I'm trying to remember what finger I used for what. Oh my gosh, I was editing one of my other videos back and I was like, oh my, that is not blended. Anyways, I'm human. Let's go in with, Actually, I think I do want to go a little bit more goldy. So I'm going to go into Medallion. This is like the most used shade in here. And I am going to take this just on the center. Oh, I love the shade. Fibs, taking that all the way, lightly blending that in. Oh, it's like so good. I'm so happy I pulled this palette. I'm so happy that I did decide that this would be the one I use for the month. That's really pretty just on its own. Like, I seriously cannot get enough of this palette. I'm going to go into dark brown, which is right here with this finger that hasn't, well, we did try one shade. There's some glitter on it, but okay, just lightly tapping into the light brown because I'm really happy with where it is right now. So I'm just going to tap this on the outer just to like darken it just a smidgen. Again, just tapping in there. I'm just tapping on the outside. I'm not going to blend it in the crease or anything because I really like the shade that's going on it there. It's really pretty. Okay, let's do the cheeks. I'm so nervous for this. But anyways, I did wipe my hands off really good. I dried them. Sat here, had a little coffee break. But anyways, I did pull the Cali Contour palette because this is my everything. And I think I'm going to do this in reverse. Or no. I'm going to use these two fingers for blush and bronzer. And then I'm going to use these two, or maybe just this one, the ring finger for the highlighter. Yeah, I'm going to do that because I like to add a little bit of glow on top, and depending on how this goes. I'm going to start with blush first because I wouldn't mind having a blushy bronzer, but I don't know about wanting a bronzy blush. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? It's a little early, you guys. It's a little early. But anyways, so I'm going to go in with some bronzer with these two fingers. Oh, this is silly. Okay, this is really pigmented by itself, and I can't really tap off because nothing's gonna come off my fingers. Okay. I can do this. Oh, I was so nervous. Okay, both fingers, right? Beep. Oh, that's not bad. Okay. I'm less nervous. It's actually easier to use my bigger mirror down there, right? Okay, the trick is to lightly like dust across the cheek area. This is challenging. I mean, this would have been so much easier just using cream products. Oh, now that has me thinking. I wonder if replacing everything with cream products would have been easier. I mean, it would be. I can tell you that. Okay. Oh, this is going to be... I'm just going to tap it in there. Tap it in there, right? Because that's what I would do with a brush. And then... the same method is not working. This is hard. Okay, this is going to take me some time. So I'm going to fast forward this. Stop talking because this is kind of making me sad. So this is harder than I thought it was going to be. So again, I'm gonna play some little music and zoom you through this. Okay, so that definitely took some time, and I didn't even think because I definitely mentally and actually verbally had thought and said aloud that I was going to do blush first and then go on bronzer, but it's a little patchy. I'm not mad at it though, actually. My hairline doesn't look great. Oh, Well, there we go. Just blend it in a little bit more, I guess. So different angle. It's challenging, but this is doable. Absolutely. It's a little, I don't know. I like it though. Okay, so I think my fingers are pretty dry. I'm gonna go in with the same 2 fingers that I should have started with for the blush. Oh, I should have went in. Yep. Okay, we're gonna do 1 finger. Oh, we are going to be rosy today. And the other finger. This blush is so pigmented. Okay, most of it is off, and I can gently just kind of rub it in there. Actually, there's a banana powder. I could totally lighten this up. Since if this was any other day, I would just take my damp sponge, or if I used a bronzer brush, foundation brush, I would just take that. But I'm going to go into the banana powder with those 2 fingers and just kind of pat over this and then lighten it. Oh, that did perfect. Maybe clean up because I think my bronzer came too far in. Oh, I'm so excited. That helped so much. Okay, let's go in with these 2 fingers, or just maybe, I'm going to do, well, I'm just going to rub these off. I think that might be kind of weird to use these other fingers. Okay, most of that is off. I'm going to go in first with the lighter, and I'm just going to use one because this one too. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, I really like that. A little bit down the nose. I don't need too much help with the glowy aspect, but I am going to take my middle finger and just lightly go over all of the bronzer just to kind of give it like a luminous, and just kind of blend it everywhere, because that goldy bronzy is like, it's an actual highlighter, not just a topper, but I do like it as a topper. Oh, that is really pretty. I am less scared. I not thinking went in with both fingers. That was crazy pants. Is it blended? I don't know. I'm being blinded by the light currently right now. From what I can see, it looks all right. Editing Kelly will probably have a better idea, as well as like when I go upstairs, like I'm sure the kids will be like, Mom. Oh, do your kids do that? My kids do. Well, whatever. Anyways, I'm going to wipe this off. And the only thing I have left to do is glowy spray. My lip products that I will put on. I do overline a little bit because this lip, like, this one's like a little bit more arched. I don't know. You know that we're all overcritical of ourselves and everything. But I do overline a little bit, and then I'll just color in my lips and then put the Plumped Up Pout lip gloss in Candy Stick. And then the L'Oreal Luminous. I didn't use eye primer. I forgot. But anyways, I'm going to mess with my hair a little bit, put these on, and be right back. Okay, and this is the finished look that we did create using just my fingers with all of the things that I would replace if I did lose all of my makeup. So I really had a lot of fun. This was kind of fun. It was challenging. So if you are a creator, not that I did create this video as a challenge, but I mean, if you end up doing a video, like a get ready with me using just your fingers and a lot of powder products, I didn't think that through, did I? But anyways, let me know down in the comments if you do make a video. But I really loved hanging out today. I would appreciate it if you gave this video a big thumbs up. Helps me out. Share with your friends so I can make new friends here on the internet. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future kind of fun and coffee chats. I'm going to chug this and go on about my day. I hope to see you guys in the next video.